Hi, I'm Holly from Spend with Pennies and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making an easy ham and potato soup. This soup cooks in the slow cooker all day long. It's the perfect meal to come home to. So we're going to start by chopping up all of our veggies, and the potatoes we have done 24 hours in advance. If you chop your potatoes and leave them covered in water at room temperature, they're fine overnight and they won't turn brown. So the other veggies we're going to add to this recipe are carrots and onions, and there's no need to pre-cook them, but these will cook in the slow cooker for quite a while, so you want to make sure your vegetable chunks are not too thin so they don't overcook. So now you're going to add in 2 to 3 cups of ham, and this is already pre-cooked ham. You can use leftover ham. I usually just buy a ham steak. A single ham steak is usually enough for this recipe. You're just going to cut that into bite-sized chunks. Okay, and now that we have all of our ingredients prepped, it's time to put everything into the slow cooker. So we have our peeled and chopped potatoes, diced ham, carrot, and onion. We are going to season with salt and pepper, a little bit of thyme, and fresh parsley. Okay, now that we've put everything into the slow cooker, we're going to add about 5 cups of broth. I like to use low sodium chicken broth. So we're going to cover this and we're going to cook for 3 hours on high or about 7 hours on low. So this ham and potato soup has been cooking for hours in the slow cooker and it is ready to serve in a few minutes. So we are going to, I'm just going to remove the herbs, and we are going to start by removing a few cups of the carrot and potato. I try not to get any ham in here, if possible. And we're going to give these a mash, and that will really help thicken the soup without the addition of a lot of extra cornstarch or flour. So we'll use the potatoes to naturally thicken this soup. Okay, so I'm just going to use a potato masher and give those a mash. And this will add a lot of nice body to the soup. There's a couple of pieces of ham in there, but I wouldn't worry about that too much. So we're going to add those back to the slow cooker. This smells so good. So we like to serve this soup usually with biscuits or bread to sort of sop up any goodies left in the bottom of the bowl. So I'm going to add a little bit of sour cream, give it a little bit of richness, and some milk. Okay. So this is going to cook another 10 minutes or so, just to allow those flavors to blend. So this soup is ready to serve, and it is the perfect end to a chilly day. I'm just gonna add a little bit of parsley. This is rich, it's creamy, it's delicious, and it's so easy to make. Find the full recipe and more home-cooked recipes on spendwithpennies.com.